Hey guys, Rebecca from Dynamic Color here, and today I'm going to be teaching you all about our new product, Spades Ink Lock Recovery Skin. And what this is a latex-free clear adhesive bandage that you stick right over your tattoo, and it keeps it protected from bacteria, germs, debris, pet hair, and all that nasty stuff, while allowing oxygen in, which helps your tattoo heal. It's a lot lower maintenance than traditional healing methods because you pretty much just leave it on there and it protects your tattoo. And this is fully waterproof, so you can wear it while showering. However, we do not recommend keeping it submerged in water or anything else for any extended period of time. So next, I'm going to tell you guys how to use it. It's a very straightforward, simple product to use. And before you put it on, you're going to want to make sure that the tattoo is fully clean with an antibacterial. So make sure it's completely dry, either with a paper towel or air dry it, because you can't have any moisture under there before you put the bandage on. Next, you're going to want to cut an area of the bandage that can fit around the whole tattoo, plus leaving a 1 to 1.5 inch border just for extra protection. So then what you're going to do is pull off the white part of the bandage, place it right on there firmly because you don't want any air bubbles. Peel off the second layer and you'll be good to go. It is usual to notice some fluid buildup, so you might see little bubbles of fluid pop up underneath it. If it does fill up with any type of fluid, don't be concerned, that's completely normal. And having that plasma sit on there for just 24 hours can actually really help speed up the tattoo process. After that, you're gonna want to take it off and apply a new one. So after 24 hours, once you replace that initial bandage, you're gonna wanna follow the same steps as before, put on a new one, make sure it's nice and firm on there. And that one can be left on for up to 6 days, but we don't recommend leaving it on any longer than that. And of course, if you have any type of reaction to the adhesive, take it off immediately and you'll be good to go. If you guys have any more questions about how to use this product or about anything whatsoever, feel free to visit us on our website, dynamiccolor.com.